Hello guys, have you heard this Vice commentary about the Zumba? Okay, just listen.
Anong yung uso-uso ang Zumba?
Zumba,
Sino
yes.
ka nagsusumba dito?
Sino mga nagsusumba?
Ang dami nagsusumba kasi nakakapayat daw ito. Pero pag tingnan mo lahat ng nagsusumba, may nakita ka bang payat? Wala. Ang Zumba is pinakamalaking budol sa mundo. Wala akong nakitang payat na nagsusumba. Kasi ang Zumba, 30 minutes, isang view sa 2 hours.
Okay, first commentary, Vice said, buong mundo wala ka nakita na pumayat na nagsusumba. Actually, there is. Marami akong kilalang pumayat because nagsusumba. At saka, not everybody goes to Zumba kasi nga gustong pumayat. Or they just wanna, look slimmer or whatever. Pumupunta sa Zumba not because of that. Sometimes goes to Zumba because that's their pastime. That makes them happy mentally, emotionally, okay? They wanna get away from the stress, from work, from home. When they go out, they make friends, they meet their friends, their buddies. People make them laugh. It's all about positivity. It's all about mental, okay? Being healthy is not about physical, okay? And second, not everyone have money like you, Vice, that has a money to go to the doctor and ask for a quick fix. Okay, when we say quick fix, immediately may pambayad ka para, hello, salamat doc, okay, ayusin mo yung mukha ko, ayusin mo yung fats ko, tanggalin mo yung palay po ako, magpa-inject ako, bibili ako ng pang-inject. May budget ako for Ozempic, Mounjaro, Wegovy, etc. Okay? Not everybody have that. Unlike Zumba, lalo na dyan sa Pinas, maraming access, okay? It's for mass. Alright, pupunta ka lang ng plaza, sa mall, ano pa ba? It's free. Sometimes 20 pesos. Of course, yun lang ang budget nila. Okay? And yes, some might choose to eat afterwards kasi nga, that makes them happy. That's their bonding sa friends nila. At least they do that as a pastime to make themselves happy, make their free time worthwhile. Not like you. You waste your time mocking other people, bullying people's physical appearance because of their weight, like what you did to Jessica Soho. You think we forgot about that? I just noticed, Vice, no, you're so bully in terms of other people's physical appearance and especially their weight. I mean, coming from you, you should understand that, right? At least these people go out there and make things positive for themselves and stay happy. And these people you called fat doesn't need to pay anybody to be with them, to stay with them, to love them. You know what I mean, Vice. At least yung mga tao nakapaligid sa kanila, they know that these people love them genuinely. Not because of money, of influence. Unlike you make fun of other people just to be relevant and just to sound funny, but not really. I guess that's the difference between comedian and in fitness and health industry. You will never understand that.